So we still have about a month left in 2024. However, this is the perfect time to start thinking about your investment strategy going into 2025. If you clicked on this, chances are you're curious about what the landscape is going to be in the new year, and where you should be looking for the biggest opportunities as we journey through this interesting geopolitical landscape. It's your favorite investor, and in this video, I'll share with you what opportunities I'm looking into and where I'll be placing my bets. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get into it. Uncertainty as we get ready for a new president is certainly high. But what do we know about the landscape? So far, we still have ongoing conflicts in Ukraine and the Middle East, and we also have rising tensions with the United States and China. These conflicts will continue to influence global markets, energy, defense, and tech sectors. With the continued instability, higher energy costs could be on the horizon, putting pressure on consumer spending and other growth sectors, while increased tensions with China could lead to supply chain issues on everyday goods, which can cause a need to shore up sectors for manufacturing in the US. Aside from those conflicts, we also have various economic policies and interest rate decisions that can weigh heavily on recession risk and inflation. Should inflation stay persistent, this will keep interest rates elevated, putting pressure on growth stocks while benefiting financial and value sectors of the economy. So understanding some of the issues and things that are going on that we know about, I'm seeing some opportunities from a technical perspective that line up with some of the opportunities that are present. Please keep in mind that these are not recommendations, simply investments that I will be entering or already have a position in. This is not financial advice, and you will lose money. With that being said, let's talk about the biggest opportunities that I believe are present as we enter 2025. As we move through these, we'll give a brief overview of what the companies and funds do and what I see on the charts that present them as a buying opportunity. First on the list is HCA Healthcare. They're a leading operator of healthcare in the US and UK, providing services through hospitals, surgery centers, care centers, and other facilities. This play in particular is one I like a lot, as I have personally seen the growth in and around my area, and the fact that they own and operate the hospitals, it kind of makes them almost like a real estate play as well as healthcare. Due to their large networks of facilities, efficiencies in operations, and focus on high demand healthcare services, they have been able to become tremendously profitable. They offer an attractive dividend and are in a resilient industry with increasing healthcare demand. I believe going into 2025, with the current landscape, they have a lot to benefit. The stock price, however, has not reflected that the future outlook is good. Off of the most recent all-time highs, they are currently trading at 22% below that price. This has been a stock that I recently added to my portfolio, and I'll be looking to add more towards the end of 2024 and beginning in 2025. I think this is a great company, and with the future forecast of 80 billion in revenue, I think this is a great play. Looking at the chart, this pullback provides a solid entry to reduce some of the downside risk as I wait for this play to develop. Next up on the list is Palantir. And yes, before y'all click off the video, I know they're very hyped, everybody's talking about them, but hear me out. Palantir is a data analytics and AI company. They help integrate, analyze, and visualize data to make decisions. The platforms are used by government agencies, healthcare providers, and other organizations that have had a need for this type of service. Palantir's Foundry product helps companies and governments improve supply chains, do clinical research in healthcare, and provide predictive maintenance for manufacturing. Palantir's Gotham is used for intelligence agencies that help track illicit activities, identify patterns in criminal behavior, and assist in military operations. Palantir's Apollo assists with integration for businesses and organizations who wish to use the software. This product enables the software to be seamless in the integration with already existing operations. Now, understanding what Palantir does and what the future geopolitical landscape is, we know that healthcare and defense sectors have a lot to benefit with what is going on. Palantir offering these services to those specific sectors has caused it to have a great 2024, and I don't think the party is over. I started my position in 2024, and over this year, we have had a 279% increase in share price. By no means have I been adding more. However, I am watching and looking for areas of consolidation to add some more to my portfolio. I believe there will be a nice pullback that will provide yet another opportunity to add. At the moment, we can see on the charts that it has been consolidating off its all-time high at roughly around $66. So hopefully this will be a huge opportunity in my opinion going into 2024 to just watch Palantir and look for this area where we can add significantly to our already existing position. And last, we have JEPQ. If you guys have followed the channel or follow me on Twitter, this has been one of my favorite investments. This is a derivative dividend income ETF that pays out a monthly dividend. You should also know that I love technology stocks and I'm a huge fan of dividend income. So with that being said, we know that current interest rates will have a toll on growth stocks. And so we do have a little bit of uncertainty as we go into 2025, not knowing if interest rates are going to continue to decline or if they're going to spike back up. So since I'm aware of that fact, but I still want to be invested heavily in the tech sector, JEPQ provides a way to mitigate some of the downside risk, participate in the upside, and provide me with monthly dividend income. Now let's be clear, this ETF will not 10x in a year, but you will be provided with some stability in what could be an unstable time. I started the position in mid-2023, and since then I have been extremely happy with the income produced and its ability to grind higher along with the JEPQ. I have recently paused my weekly investment, but I'm still holding plenty of shares and will be looking to add on pullbacks. We are currently sitting close to all-time highs, so at this point we will probably just be reinvesting our dividends as they come in. So there you have it. Investors, I urge you to do your own research. Do not blindly go with what the information that I've provided in this video. I'm simply showing you my plan going into 2025 as I see fit for my investment goals. I do urge you to hit that like button and subscribe if you like my analysis and to stay informed on future changes in my investment strategy. It's your favorite investor, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.